Hey everyone, welcome to TechDo. Today I am going to talk about AcePDF. In this video I am going to talk about how to edit, convert and manage PDF files using AcePDF. AcePDF is a software that simplifies everything you ever wanted to do with PDFs. Whether you are a student, professional or anyone who deals with PDFs, this video is for you. So download and install AcePDF. It's a versatile tool that serves as a PDF editor, converter, creator, reader and manager all rolled into one. It's a game changer for anyone dealing with PDF files regularly. The download link of this software is available in the description. Once that's done, let's take a look at the user-friendly interface. Here is the main interface where you can find options to open, create, edit, convert, combine and compress PDF files. It's straightforward and designed with simplicity in mind. So open the PDF file which you want to edit, convert or manage. AcePDF offers different reading mode. You can switch between single and double page view, zoom in for details, or use the handy navigations to jump through pages. It's just like reading a real book but on your computer. Now let's talk about editing PDF files. With AcePDF, you can easily edit text, change font, size, color, and make it bold, etc. And you can add new text or images effortlessly to customize your PDF documents. And if you want to add a unique touch, AcePDF lets you watermark your PDFs with text, images or even your own custom background. You can change watermark opacity, font size, font style. Once done, click on Apply. You can annotate your PDFs just like you would a paper document, perfect for studying, reviewing documents, or leaving feedback. You can highlight the text, underline, strike through, and adding text boxes. It's an excellent way to make your PDFs more interactive and informative. The stamp feature is great for adding pre-made stamps or creating custom ones. You can customize your document with ease using AcePDF. And if you want filling out forms with AcePDF, you can easily manage text fields, checkboxes, drop-down menus and more. Say goodbye to frustrating online forms and edit them directly in AcePDF. And if you need to extract specific pages from a PDF, no problem. AcePDF lets you split, merge, insert and replace pages with just a few clicks. You can even crop pages to focus on specific areas. And with AcePDF, you can protect your PDF files. You can keep your confidential information safe with AcePDF's password protection. Set an open password to restrict access and a permission password to control specific actions like printing or editing. And if you want to sign your documents, AcePDF lets you add your handwritten signature for a truly paperless signing experience. AcePDF is not just about editing PDFs, it's your complete conversion hub. If you want to convert your PDF file, you can transform your PDFs into editable Word documents, Excel spreadsheets, PowerPoint presentations, images, and even text files. And if you have scanned images with text and you can't edit, AcePDF OCR feature allows you to extract text from images and scan documents. It's a game changer for making non-editable text editable. And there you have it. AcePDF Editor and Converter is a powerful tool that simplifies all your PDF tasks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and leave any question or comments below. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.